I know exactly what happened. I predicted this almost 6 weeks ago when they first accused me. A video film was made accusing me of blasphemy. And then it was picked up by these government spokesperson, by the government-controlled television. And 6 weeks ago, I said that this was all planned to assassinate me through a religious fanatic. And the two, Prime Minister and the Interior Minister, who I named, we know their past for 30 years. Both have been involved in extrajudicial killing. Both were involved in what is called the Model Town Massacre, where they had 12 protesters shot dead and about 60 injured. So we know the past. So therefore, I know that whenever there is an independent investigation, I know the people behind this